In this video, we will show how to assemble a penholder. This is a product that can help you stabilize your hand if you have to write with a pen or pencil. You simply insert the pin into the hole, tighten the screw. You have a support that can be screwed on and off. You can then activate it and write. It takes approximately 10 minutes to assemble, and all the parts you need can be found in the description below. For this assembly, as you can see here, we need 3D printed parts, 2 pieces of non-slip fabric with a size of 1 × 2 centimeters. We need super glue and we need spray glue. For this tutorial, we need to print 8 parts. We have 2 handles, one long, one short. We have 2 support legs. We have 2 screws and we have 2 end stops. The STL files can be found in the description below. For the assembly process, we will only use one to show how the assembly is made. First, we will take the screw and insert it in the hole in the top, right there. You will want to screw it approximately this far in. Then we need the end cap and some glue. We then dab a small amount of glue into the hole of the screw in the end. We can then take the end cap with the pin, just like this, and insert into the hole. So it looks like this. We will now take some non-slip fabric. Here I use fake leather. I will dab some glue on the inside of the hole, of the big hole, right here. Here you can also use spray glue. I will then insert the fabric onto the glue. This is to make sure the pins we insert into this pin holder is not going to slip out. So it looks something like this. Now we will try to mount the support underneath in the hole. Here we simply just screw it in with the thread, like this, and then it works. Now you can test with a pin, insert it into the hole, tighten the screw, just like this. Then you can use it to write if you have less motor skills in your hand. Enjoy!